What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I have a function called sine of tan squared x and I want to find out the derivative of this function. Just a quick reminder, sine x, the derivative of it is going to be cosine x. Sine u, if u is the function of x, is going to be u prime cosine x. Sine to the power of n u, the derivative will be n times sine to the power of n minus 1 u times cosine u times u prime. And the derivative of tan x will be secant squared x, or 1 plus tan squared x, or 1 over cosine squared x. So let's go back to the question. Sine of tan squared x. We need to use this formula. Sine u, the derivative is going to be u prime cosine u. So it's going to be cosine, the derivative will be cosine tan squared x multiplied by derivative of tan squared x, which will be 2 times tan x times derivative of tan x, which is secant squared x. So when you simplify, it's going to be 2 times cosine tan squared x times tan x times secant squared x. So this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding math, chemistry and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.